Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a couple of cards using the Unbounded Beauty Designer Series paper, the Happy Little Things bundle, so that's the stamp set and the dies. Oh, I have them in my hand. It's a set of 2 dies. These are online exclusive products, these 2 here. Then we're also going to be using the Unbounded Love Bundle with the stamp set and the dies. Aren't those cute dies? Okay, before we get started on our projects, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So first, we're going to start with our Life is Sweet Paper Pumpkin Kit. You have until June 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards. Comes with the Shy Shamrock Stampin' Spot, which is one of our new in colors. Because this kit features the new in colors, the 2024 to 26 in colors. So if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can go ahead and purchase the Thanks and Beyond Dies add-on for $12. The item number is 164397. These 4 dies do coordinate with April, May, and June Paper Pumpkin kits, okay? There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Next, we have my mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 each for the boxes. Shipping is included. I can only sell them and mail them in the United States. If you're interested, go ahead and email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Next, we have our host code for the month. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, okay? Lastly, we have our Join Special. During the month of May, Stampin' Up is having a Join Special. So when you purchase the starter kit for $99 plus tax, you're going to get to choose $125 worth of product of your choice, whatever you want, equaling up to $125. On top of that, Stampin' Up is going to give you all of this for free. So you're going to get 5 classic stamping pads in the new in colors. You're going to get a variety pack of 8.5 by 11 cardstock in the new in colors. You're going to get the 6x6 Designer Series paper pack in the new in colors, as well as the 5 in colors in their Stampin' Right markers. That is an $82 value for free in your starter kit for this month, okay? So if you're interested in joining Stampin' Up, go ahead and click the link in the description box to join my team. I would love to have you. And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and get started because we have a lot to do. Okay, so we have a card base here of Petunia Pop, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're going to burnish that score line with our bone folder. I've gone ahead and completed the inside of our card. This is a piece of 3.5 by 4 3/4 basic white, and I've added some of the 24 to 26 Glimmer specialty paper in the not Shy Shamrock, but Summer Splash color, along with a strip of cardstock there. And we're going to do some stamping on this before we insert it. So let me get some Petunia Pop ink. And we're going to stamp Celebrate on the inside. And that is from the Happy Little Things stamp set. So this is going to basically take up the entire length or width of this. Just like that. We're going to leave that ink out because I'm going to go ahead and stamp. We have some scrap basic white here. And we're going to stamp our sentiment for the outside, which says the best day ever. And we're going to just stamp that in Petunia Pop as well. So we can now close this up and get rid of it because we're done with the ink. Oh, I guess I should tell you. We're going to be doing Kendra's card challenge number 14. And we're going to be doing sketches 10 and 11. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to have a link in the description box below on how you can get a hold of Kendra's PDF because it is free. So let's get some liquid glue. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the inside of our card. Just like that. Next, we are going to get our baby boss, our mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And we're going to die cut our sentiment. So we're going to be using the die from the Happy Little Things dies, the set of 2. This is the smaller of the 2. I'm going to try to tape this down, run this through our embosser machine. Okay, so we have our die, our sentiment die cut. Let's get that out. Now let's go ahead and build our card, the rest of the card. So I'm going to go ahead and I have a piece of Summer Splash here. Again, the measurements are going to be found on Kendra's, what is it called? Her PDF. I'm trying to think of all the things at once. So let's go ahead and adhere this down to our card base. Just like this. Now, on the sketch, it calls for a layer behind this. And if you have been paying attention to all of my Kendra card challenges for this, for number 14, I have been using the In Color Glimmer paper. Well, I wanted to layer the glimmer paper behind this, but I didn't want to waste all that paper. So what I've done is cut 1/8 of an inch in the glimmer paper. I know this is craziness. I don't know why. This is the tiniest little thing. I'm going to put glue. I wish I had a precision glue. Let me see. Hold on. Okay. So I have this little bottle here. And I have glue in it. It's like a little precision nozzle. All it is it's the same liquid glue. I just poured it in this little bottle. And I was hoping that it wouldn't squirt out a lot of glue, but it looks like it still did. But this is easier to use. So I'm just gonna put all of these trims around the Summer Splash cardstock, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have those strips put down. As you can see, I did a little measurement mishap. I made the ones going across the top and the bottom a little too short, but that's okay. It's still gonna look cute. So let's continue. So I have 3 squares in that same shimmer paper in the Summer Splash. And then I have patterns, what patterns are these? E and C from our card sketch. And we're gonna adhere these down. And I usually will put the tearing tape on, but I'm gonna see if we can just do this with just liquid glue. Ooh. So we're gonna put these right in the center of these squares. We're gonna try to put them right in the center. Are they square? They might not be square. They might not be square. So let me, okay, that looks like that's going the right way. This paper is so beautiful. I had a hard time choosing which side on some of them. They have 2 patterns, one on each side. And if they're both pretty, I don't know which one to use. Okay, so we have that. Excuse me, my voice is going. So let me pull in our sketch here. Let me see what I'm doing. So we are going to put this one down on our card front, and we're going to put it at like a diamond. Trying to do it in the middle here. And then we're going to get one of these, put it in the diamond, and it's going to be, oh, so maybe this needs to go up just a bit, because we're going to put that right there. Ooh, like that. Then we're going to take this one Come on, glue. And we're going to put it right here. Like that. Okay, so now we need to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm going to use the minis, the little mini Stampin' Dimensionals. And we're going to put some on the back of our sentiment layer here. Whoop. I think I'm going to do 4, just to make sure it doesn't sag. And let's get these backings off. And we're going to put this right across this square here. Just like that. Okay. Next, we are going to put on our embellishments. And we're using the 24 to 26 in color resin dots. And so we're going to get 3 of those. And which 3 do we want? We got to use this Shy Shamrock. But I think for this one, we're going to do, let's do Petunia Pop. So I'm going to put 1 there. 1 here. And 1 here. Just like that. Okie dokie. That's the first card done. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? All the sparkle. The best day ever. Celebrate. All right, so let's move on to the second card really quickly. So this is our inside done already. It is 3.5 by 4 3/4 on basic white with some shimmer paper. We have our card base of peach pie, 8.5 by 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Burnish that down, and we're going to go ahead and glue this to the inside because there's no stamping on the inside of this one. So we can get that taken care of quickly. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, I love all the shimmer. Okay, then we have a couple of pieces from our card sketch, if I can pick them up. So these are papers C, F, and A. And so we're gonna put these on here according to our card sketch. So this one, we're gonna put a little over. Try to get it, it's gonna go the length of the card, so I'm gonna try to get it straight. Then we have this piece. Let's see, which way do I want to put this one? I'll do it like that. And we're gonna glue this down. Oh no, I need to open up some new glue. We're gonna put that right here. Just like that. And then it calls for a matte layer. So we have our shimmer paper, that's where it's going to come in, and we're going to put some glue right on the outside of this. Hopefully I'm not making that too wide. And we're going to put our little glimmer paper right here. And we're going to put some on this side as well. Come on. I'm going to just sit this down right along the edge there. Just like that. Okay. And while that has a moment to dry, we're going to get a piece of basic white. This is scrap. I know it looks like a die cut because it is, but we're going to be using it as scrap. I'm going to take some Petunia Pop, and we're going to stamp the best, not the best, but Best of Luck from the Unbounded Love stamp set. We're going to stamp that right in the center here. Well, somewhat in the center. And we're going to die cut that out using the circle from the Unbounded Love dies. So we're going to get that in there. Let's tape that down and hope it won't move on us. Okay. And then I have some peach pie glimmer paper, and I've gone ahead and put some adhesive sheet on there, and we're going to be using some leaf dies from the Unbounded Love dies. So let's get our baby boss, and we're going to die cut these, and I'll be right back. Okay, we have our dies, everything cut out. So let's pop this out of here. And we're going to go ahead and continue putting the card together. So I'm going to get my paper snips, and we're going to trim this glimmer paper from the front of the card. Trim that up. Okay, and I have a circle here from the Deckled Circle dies. I forgot I was using that. And we're going to pop this on. Blue. We're going to put that on our card front here. Let's see. Where do we want this? About right there. I'm going to put it just like that. Okay, then I also have a circle from the Summer Splash shimmer paper, glimmer paper. I think it's about 2 inches. And we're going to put that one about maybe right here, like this. Okay, and then we're going to get some dimensionals. Come on, stick down. We're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back of our sentiment here. 2 should do. And we're going to pop this up right there, like that. Then we're going to take our die cuts, peel off the backing, because I did put the adhesive sheets on here. And we're going to put, let's see, let's put this one down here like that. And we'll take the larger one. I love how all the little pieces stick to that adhesive sheet, so we don't have to worry about pulling them out. And we're going to put this one right up here like that. And that is the second card done. Isn't that cute? I like this. Oh no, we got to put on our embellishments. Let's put on some of these embellishments. So we'll use the Summer Splash since that's what we have going on here. I'll use a big one. We'll put them right there. Just like that. Okay, now it's done. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love all the shimmer. It's so pretty. Let's bring back card number 1. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'd like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.